guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing my intro in a car today because today I'll be doing going to the best rated hairstylist in my city. I'm going to be getting my hair done. This is just a wig I'm wearing. I'm going to take this off and take off everything I have on my hair, and he's basically going to do my hair. This is my first time of getting my hair done by him. I've never gotten my hair done by him. I've seen pictures, I've seen videos, and I've heard reviews, but then I've never gotten my hair done by him. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. I have a class right now, but then I'll be leaving immediately after my class, so I'll take you guys along. I'm on my way there now. I am so tired after my class. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys the hair that I'll be using for this video. So the hair that I'm using is from Tinashe hair. I'll tell you guys more about the hair when I go to do my hair, and I'll leave all the links and everything you need to know in the description bar below. So let's go. First of all, guys, I don't even know if I'm in the correct place, but then I'm just hoping I am, because I just sent a message to him right now, and hopefully he hasn't replied, but then hopefully he has seen it and he'll come and get me. Sorry, I'm trying to look around. First of all, I'm 2 hours late. Like, I am so late. I'm 2 hours late. I feel so bad, and I've been standing here for about 6 minutes. He hasn't replied me, and I don't even feel bad for him not replying me, because I am at fault here. I am so late. So I finally got to enter, and I'm walking there now. I'm so ashamed of myself, you guys. So bad at keeping the time. So I finally got here, and I'm just going to tell you guys like a brief intro about this hair. This hair is from Tinashe hair, and is a 360 wig. It's 22 inches body wave, and is 250% density. So yeah, everything else you need to know about the hair will be in the description bar below. The hair was actually so good. He even said it himself. So yeah. So first impressions, he was actually so nice. He wasn't mad at me for being late. And this was actually like the first time we were like meeting straight up, and he was actually so nice. That was my first impression. I couldn't really do it like a vlog style, cause yeah, it was noisy and there was music playing, and if I do that, I'm just going to get copyrighted on this video, and it's probably going to get blocked and taken down. So I took out my cornrows, and then he made me new cornrows. As you guys can see, I'm just talking, just to tell you how comfortable I was. And yeah, so first impression was that he was nice and I was comfortable. What else? You guys, I'm just going to wait for you guys to see how the hair turned out, and I won't give my final verdict or whatever yet, just so you guys will see what the hair turns out to be. Do not skip through the video. Yes, don't skip through the video. Here I was just talking too much and laughing. So yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. I won't do it like a voiceover. I'm just going to play some music so you guys will enjoy the video. I was basically just asking a lot of questions and just talking a lot. So yeah, enjoy the video. impression was priceless. I was actually so happy. Like, this is the first time I'm getting my hair slayed this much. Like, you guys know I do my hair. We're going to be honest. It's not as slayed as this. I was just so happy because I have never had a professional do my hair. At least before this time, I had never had whatever. I never got a professional to do my hair, and I was just so happy because he killed it. Like, are you guys seeing that hairline? Like, where is the lace? I can't find the lace. You guys should help me look for it. Anyways, if you guys want to check him out, his Instagram is at O'Neil Daniels. I'm going to leave it in the description box below and also in the comment section, so you guys go check him out. I was so happy, as you guys can see, and I'm also going to leave like a link to his direct Instagram, so you guys will just check it out. You guys should also check out Tinashe hair. If not for their hair, I won't be looking this bomb. Like, I wouldn't have slayed this look this much. I wouldn't have slayed this look this much. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.